Howdy everyone, this is Green Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're inside the one-bedroom model at the Herschel Apartments in Dallas, Texas. So we're at the Herschel Apartments in Dallas, Texas. This is a quick walkthrough. So we've literally just walked, there's the door. So you just walk in the door there. There's the half bath that's right over there. And then to the left, there is a really cool study area that's there, so you can study, but you can also have guests there. And then we're going to walk through here and take a quick peek. Oh wow, this is what's striking me is how long this is. This is a lot of space, a lot of features in here. It's a really pretty kitchen that's here. The kitchen's super nice. It's got that big farmhouse sink, really pretty appliances. This is a very, very nice apartment. I also love all the space that's here. And I love all the renovations and the flooring and everything. It's very, very nice. There is a balcony that's over there, and normally we step on it, but it's been painted, so we're gonna forestall that. But anyway, this is what it looks like. What do you think? This is your walkthrough. Do you like this? What's your thoughts about it? Send me a text. I'd like to hear from you and see what you think. And if you need help just finding your perfect place in Dallas, I'd like to hear from you too. It's always a free service to help you, so send me a text and we'll be chatting. And then I've made some detailed walkthroughs also of apartments of this one, and we'll be doing those actually shortly right after this.